A professional look-alike. This is David Beckham. This man looks like David Beckham, but his name is Andy Harmer. He is David Beckham's best look-alike. He doubles for David on TV commercials and films. He can also play football, but he's not as good as the real David Beckham. He sometimes makes appearances with David. He looks so much like the famous footballer that he is a success wherever he goes. Andy also sounds a bit like David Beckham.
Sometimes being a lookalike can be confusing. I get dreams where I really am David. And then I wake up.
Andy has got his own look-alike agency these days. He's also got a TV series about lookalikes. In the show, Andy is searching for other lookalikes. Lots of people come onto the show to try and become the next lookalike success. Can you tell who all these people look like? There are lots of famous lookalikes in the UK, and for other footballers too. This is Jamie Vardy. Here he is winning the Premier League with Leicester City. And here he is again. But are there two Jamie Vardys? No, there aren't. The man on the right is Lee Chapman. He is a postman, and he is a huge Leicester City fan. Do you know any other famous lookalikes? Are there any in your country? Which celebrity do you look like the most?